Well, we're in the business of manufacturing beverages. So we manufacture in New Zealand for export to Australia and Korea and New Zealand, and we manufacture beverages. I mean, our brands include the likes of Just Juice and Fresh Up, V, MyZone, Pepsi, all those sort of brands. What was important for us in terms of the technology itself in the manufacturing plant was making sure it was something that was easily usable by the staff, fork hoist operators, people like that on the production line, making sure that they were rugged, because what's really important is not having little shards of technology sitting in our drinks. We don't particularly want that. And third of all, it had to be connectable back to our domain, because at the end of the day we're dealing in real time with SAP, so it was a really important thing that we could have a Windows device that was rugged and it was easy to use. It was sort of interesting that when we really started looking for devices, there was just one that stood out, and it was quite new on the market. I mean, this was over a year ago that we actually found them for the first time. And we actually used them in a different project initially, which was for our QA team. And they just proved to be, really rugged and really reliable machines. We settled on the Panasonic ToughPad because it seemed like the simplest solution. You don't have to put a whole lot of different things together. You basically have it, and there it is. We found other Windows 8 devices that you could buy rugged cases for. But really this was probably the only, or possibly the first truly rugged one that we found. They're working in a tough environment, and they're doing what they said they would. So I guess that's all we need, really. That's all we want.